Good evening YouTube, I'm Shadow, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a Deathhawk. This is basically a mohawk for goths. It's mainly for the kind of goths that listen to death rock, which is like a combination of punk and goth. So for this hairstyle, I'm gonna have to tease, and what I like to do for teasing is I tease before I put the hairspray in. Okay, done with that part. Now, people say that teasing is dangerous, but if you do it a certain way, it won't be dangerous. Basically, just if you feel pain while teasing, you're doing something wrong. Get the comb all the way down. And you can see, because I put the comb all the way down to my scalp, my hair stands up very nicely. And I'm done. Pretty much done. If you're satisfied with your Deathhawk, you can go ahead and do another coat of spray just to hold it in place. So I would say the key difference between a Deathhawk and a Mohawk is Deathhawk is more fluffy than Mohawk. Mohawks are usually really sharp looking, and also a lot of times Deathhawks would have a fringe like what I have.